Friends, this is Sanjeev. Today I am going to present a new program in Python. Today I am going to teach you how to data frame create in Pandas. Now I am going to start the program. Go to the file and choose a new file. First type import pandas as pd. Import pandas as pd. Then import numpy as an import import numpy as np. Then we define a data is equal to here type a name Manasvi, then colon, in the square bracket type subjects like physics, then next subject informatic practices, in the bracket in the inverted comma, next English, this is also an inverted comma, next math, next chemistry. We are using 5 subjects, okay? Then comma, next type your marks, 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 same process, colon, in the bracket define the 5 subjects marks, 89, 74, 83, 92, 69. Then close the bracket, curly braces. Okay, this is your data. Next, df is equal to pd dot data frame, data frame, data frame, and use this data. Okay, data in the bracket. Now print df. Okay, now find the output, run your program. Source must be saved. First save your program in your system. I am going to this file, save in my computer. Okay friends, now find the output. This is your data. This is student name and this is marks. Okay, physics, IP, English, math and chemistry. Okay, so this is your data frame. Okay friends, now I am going to tell you how to calculate the sum of all subject marks. Now type here print in the bracket type by statement sum of marks, sum of use the formula, then print in the bracket type df sorry df in the square bracket marks marks bracket close dot sum function. Okay, then bracket close and find the output. This is your output. Sum is missing. Print p. Look here, p is small. Okay, so here p is small. Then run your program. Look here, sum of marks 407. Look here. Okay, this is your total. Now we are using the maximum function. How we can find the maximum marks? Look here, print in the bracket df in the square bracket marks bracket close dot max. This is max function. Okay, and find the output. This is your maximum marks. Then find the minimum marks. Okay, now type print in the bracket df in the square bracket marks dot min and bracket close. Find the output. Then okay. This is your minimum marks. 407 is your total marks, 92 this is the highest marks, and 69 this is the lowest marks in your subject. How we can separate your answer? Look here, type print in the bracket single quotes में equal to multiply by 25. Then run your program. Look here, this is your students marks subjects, and this is the line equal to multiply by 25. Okay, and this is your sum of marks, maximum marks and minimum marks. I hope that you have understand all the things well. Thank you for watching my video till the end. Now I am going to close this program. Thank you. Have a nice day.